Sports Illustrated. Yeah, she is formerly the co-host of the Best Damn Sports Show period. And currently, she serves as a host of Poker After Dark on NBC. Now, what I want you to do is to poke it up and show your love for this young lady. She is absolutely positively the queen of fine, and she just happens to be my homegirl. Please welcome Miss Leanne Tweedy!
First of all, give it up for the Army Band! You guys rock. The singers are amazing. How you guys doing tonight? How are you guys doing tonight? Much better. It's not that cold. Come on now. Exactly. How you guys doing? Alright? I got a joke. I'm not the comedian, but I do have a joke since I saw you in the audience. What's the difference between Santa Claus and Tiger Woods? Santa stops at 3 hours. Thank you, friend.